So I'm talking to you about drought. And changing water resources, that is the shifting of water's timing and availability and intensity, is going to be one of the biggest impacts that is associated with a warming climate. And this will change the physical quantity of water available to some places. So we can think of the arid West having a lot less physical water. But drought isn't just about physical availability. So one idea. Drought is about water quality too. If you don't have the type of water you want, then you can experience drought. So if we have declining water quality, then many people will find that they don't have all the water that they want to have available to them. Now, declining water quality is a consequence or will be a result of climate change in a lot of places. Things like rising temperatures can cause eutrophication of water sources and maybe lead to decline in the quality of that source. But also, we humans are anthropogenically contributing to declining water by things like industrial pollutants. Okay, idea 2. Drought isn't just about the water that's available, but it's also about how much water we want. And we have this idea that we can use as much water as we want, that it's limitless and infinite. We have this problem especially in places that draw from groundwater, who've been closing their eyes about how much water they actually have available. So there are many places that may experience drought because they're asking too much. So the idea that I want you to take away from this is that drought is much more than just physical quantity. And instead, there's a lot of places in the globe that will likely experience drought. Okay, so the call to action. Because there is this human element contributing to drought, we have a lot of ability to change our relationship to drought. So what do we need? We need innovation, and that's where you come in. So innovation is technological, for sure, but it's also about policy, it's about law, it's about financial mechanisms, and it's about changing the culture of relationship to water, and we can do that through things like storytelling. So no matter where you come from, you have an entree point into water. And this is one of our most essential things that we need to change with respect to climate adaptation, and you all have the ability to take part in that. So I am hoping that one of you will be our next innovator, our next water entrepreneur, helping lead the charge on climate adaptation. Thank you.